The Tale of 819 Bamboozle Boulevard, Mystery in Madripoor, Silly Valley. On an unusually foggy night in Madripoor, the tenants of 819 Bamboozle Boulevard sensed something broken but peculiar. The building had always drawn a quirky crowd, but tonight, the usual hum of creativity was overtaken by whispers of an ancient treasure hidden deep within its walls. Rumor had it that the Madripoor mercenary from the Marvel Universe, known only as the Laughing Phantom, had hidden a priceless artifact here ages ago. The evening began as any other. Loopy Logic Labs was testing their latest algorithm to answer unasked questions, Bite-Sized Banter Incorporated was developing a humor-based productivity tool, and Quantum Quirkery was attempting to invert gravity in a 6-foot radius. But when the lights began to flicker in an eerie pattern, everyone knew this was no ordinary power surge. Out of nowhere, a riddle appeared on each tenant's computer screen. To find what's buried and bring delight, seek out the stars on the walls tonight. The tenants gathered in the building's quirky mezzanine to investigate. After searching for clues, they noticed glowing stars painted on random walls across the floors, leading to a hidden door behind a file cabinet marked Caution, Abandon Hope. As they pushed it open, they uncovered a dusty room filled with blueprints, each marking different modifications over the years. And in one corner, an ornate, jewel-encrusted key hung from a hook. The map on the wall seemed to suggest there was more space beneath the building than any of them had imagined. The adventure took them to an underground tunnel, originally part of the building's old drainage system. Following the map, the tenants finally discovered an underground vault filled with eccentric gadgets, gold-plated gears, and a strange, shimmering crystal. The Laughing Phantom's artifact, they realized, was a device that emitted a playful energy field, making the entire building more inviting and oddly inspiring, explaining why so many innovative ideas had thrived within these walls. By morning, word had spread through Silly Valley. 819 Bamboozle Boulevard wasn't just a workspace, it was a legendary creative haven. The Phantom's treasure became a beloved part of the building, attracting even more imaginative companies to its doors. Now, everyone knew that Madripoor wasn't just a place for innovation, it was a place of legend and wonder, where ideas became reality in the heart of Silly Valley. Madripoor Silly Valley, the playful nexus of innovation. Location, 819 Bamboozle Boulevard, Madripoor, Silly Valley, California. Overview. Tucked away in the spirited heart of Silly Valley, Madripoor is a lively hub where the traditional meets the whimsical. Inspired by the notorious Madripoor Island from Marvel Comics, this imaginative space, with its bold colors and audacious designs, attracts Silicon Valley's quirkiest thinkers. The property is an ideal playground for fun-loving companies ready to bring their most inventive ideas to life in a space brimming with flair. Notable tenants, Loopy Logic Labs, specialists in creating outlandish algorithms that solve problems you didn't know you had. Bite-Sized Banter Incorporated, designers of humorous and irreverent digital tools that add a twist to productivity. Quantum Quirkery, pioneers of playful physics-based gadgets for the curious. Triple Constraint Model, Cost, Quality, and Speed. 1. Cost-constrained objective, achieve a 9.5% cap rate on a valuation of $2,980,000. Plan, manage renovation and modernization costs to optimize spending, supporting a whimsical yet affordable upgrade approach. KPI, valuation goal, $2,980,000. Target NOI, raise from $160,000 per year to approximately $283,100 per year by leasing to high-quality, quirky tenants. Price per SF, aim for $578 to $590 square feet. 2. Quality constraint objective, attract eccentric and imaginative tenants that align with the Silly Valley vibe. Plan, curate a tenant mix of unique companies who seek a playful space, like Absurd Algorithms LLC or Hilarity Hardware. KPI, target tenants, secure tenants willing to pay a premium for a creatively charged space. Bonus apartment loft rental, offer the 550 SF loft as a stylish, income-generating apartment. Mezzanine utilization, use the 435 SF mezzanine as rentable workspace for an extra revenue stream. 3. Speed constrained objective, execute rapid updates and leasing to minimize downtime. Plan, prioritize quick cosmetic upgrades, targeted facility improvements, and fast-track leasing. KPI, lease turnaround, target a 3 to 6 month period from vacancy to new lease. Upgrade completion, focus on essential updates, like 600 amps/3-phase power, completed within 1 to 2 months. Colorful synopsis, located on the famously quirky Bamboozle Boulevard, this Madripoor property offers 5,155 SF of vibrant industrial space with flair and a sense of humor. The property features 5 grade-level doors, a bonus loft apartment, and a mezzanine, making it ideal for Silicon Valley's wackiest, most creative enterprises. With powerful amenities and a fenced yard, it's perfect for companies looking for a spot that blends practicality with a dash of fun. Key data to make this a hot deal: increase NOI, lease out the loft, convert the mezzanine, and attract quirky tenants to achieve a target NOI of $283,100 per year. Capitalize on location, market as a highly visible, character-filled space just off the main road, ideal for branding and exposure. Flexible zoning advantage, leverage the ear zoning to attract a range of unique tenants. Rapid upgrades, implement essential improvements to attract premium tenants swiftly and without breaking the bank. With a strategy focused on cost, quality, and speed, Madripoor on Bamboozle Boulevard is primed to be a hotspot in Silly Valley's real estate market, attracting innovative companies and securing the targeted 9.5% cap rate. This quirky industrial space is where ingenuity meets humor, making it an unforgettable locale for both tenants and investors alike.